Hey everyone, this is Mary. Thanks for stopping by my kitchen again this afternoon. I want to share with you about one of our products that's right back here. I don't really talk about it a whole lot. I talk about it, but then you kind of get hooked up on other products. And so coming back around because I'm making dinner today, and I thought maybe you might want to see how I'm making it. So what I'm using is um, I've talked about this before. It's called Taste Buzz. It's one of two of our subscription-based product lines. This is, I think this is from the December one, I think. I don't remember. But it's a monthly subscription. You can do it for 1 month or 3 months or 6 months. And what you get is you get 3 nice recipe cards, a fourth one on that shows you what to do with the rest of the product that you have left over because you get a generous amount. And then the seasonings. This is not for the month that I'm doing it. This is for January. But this is like a 1.5 ounces of product. I haven't opened it yet, but I mean the product is really kind of up to here. That's how much product you get. So what I'm doing tonight for dinner is herb and onion pot roast with herb and onion slow cooker seasoning, and that's what I use. And so it came with it, 3 tablespoons, super easy ingredients. Tells you can do it with chicken if you want to, variations on the vegetables, which I really like that. But this is our Rockcrok, and so I'm going to tell you about the smaller version of it. But this is the Rockcrok, the black piece right there. It's 4-quart Dutch oven. It's got a nice glass lid so you can see what in the world's going on in there, which I really like that. And there's a base that is an optional base that you can purchase with it to even add to more of the versatility of the Rockcrok. You can make it into a slow cooker, and that's what I'm doing today. So if you have a slow cooker, great. I have a slow cooker. I have a crock pot in my pantry and I use it, right? I mean, of course I use it, but sometimes you need more than one, or sometimes you don't need something that big. Mine's kind of a big one, so if we're having a party you can use it, but this is just dinner, right? So it's a 3-pound pork loin, so I don't need like a really big pot to put this in. So I'm going to push this out of the way here. So what is a Rockcrok? It is basically it's a piece of our baking stoneware, or stoneware line, but it's got a special glaze on it all the way around. So it's considered like flameware in the industry because it's pretty tough. Now you drop it, you're gonna break it. So it's not that tough, so don't do that. We don't recommend that. But this is so versatile for really any of your cooking needs. Is it a slow cooker? Yeah, I'm using a slow cooker right now with that optional base. You can put it in the microwave. It's microwave safe. You can put it on your grill. You can put it out on your smoker, and I've done that. There's actually part of the Rockcrok family, like stones, like the round stones that you're more familiar with when you think about stones. So it goes out on the grill and the smoker. It can go into the oven. It can go into the broiler. So if you're doing macaroni and cheese or something, you need to get that nice crispy toasted top. You can do that as well. This is also easy to clean up, but it's also dishwasher safe. So that's the 4-quart one that I'm using right there for tonight's meal. This is called our everyday pan. I mean, you can also use it on the stove. And this is our everyday pan, and this is 2.5 quarts. All right. So I just need a little bit bigger one, and that's why I use the 4-quart. So I actually put it on the stove, which I really love that. See, here's the thing. Like with a crock pot, what are you doing? You're just dumping everything in. Or if you're doing how I did this, you're using another pan and then putting it in the crock pot. You don't have to do that with this. So what I did is I just took the pan, put it on the stove, added some olive oil, browned, get nice crust on the outside of the pork loin. Then took it off the stove, put it right in the crock pot, the slow cooker base, and then filled it up with the rest of the ingredients and hit start, and I'm ready to go. So just something to think about when you think what kind of versatility you need. I mean, I understand the point of a crock pot, and I have one, obviously, and I do use it. But really just when there's people coming over, not for my everyday cooking. When I do my everyday cooking, I'm using the Rockcrok. I don't really like one-trick ponies. I like things that have a lot more versatility to them. It seems I don't have a lot of space, and it's more justifiable for that purchase when there's more versatility. So something to think about. These are the Rockcroks. These are actually on special. I'm shooting this. This is the end of January, February 2021, which is tomorrow. They're all 60% off for hosts. So something to think about that. That Rockcrok, that 4-quart is, it's called a Dutch oven. It's normally $140. It's $56 in February for host. Yeah, that's pretty good. And this everyday pan is $1 or $125. Um, and in February for hose is 60% off, so it's $50. And this also has the glass lid as well. So that's the Rockcrok. That's part of our family of cookware. And plus it's a January host special. So it just might be something you might want to think about if you are thinking about doing a show of your own. Bye.